Hello there. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can split PDF pages and only download the specific number of pages that you want. For instance, I have here a 12-page document and this is a 12-page PDF document, but I don't want all these 12 pages. I only want 3 pages here and they should be separate. I just want to dismember the whole of this document and only download the pages that I will select. If you found this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the only thing you need to do is to go to any web browser and then search for this website called I Love PDF, just like that, I Love PDF. Once you get here, choose this option called Split PDF. Now, if you read under it, you can see this function will help you separate one page or a whole set for easy conversion into independent PDF files. So I'll go ahead and select it. And once you select that option, now it's time to go ahead and upload your pages or the whole document here. So I'll go ahead and find my document. And the simplest way to upload your document is just to drag and drop it here. And you can see it has been uploaded. Now currently I have 12 pages. And this document is arranged from page 1 to page 12. Now, to separate all these pages and only download the ones you want, go ahead and split here and choose the second option called pages. If you click on it, it will go ahead and display all the 12 pages that you need to split and download. Now, if you go ahead and download or click on split as it is, it will go ahead and download all the 12 pages that are separate, which means you will get 12 files downloaded on your computer. However, I don't want to download all these 12 separate pages. I only want to download 3 of these pages. Now, for my case, I only want to download page 2, page 4, and page 7. Now, this means I'll have to unselect all the other pages that I no longer need. So I'll only leave page 2 and then I'll also leave page 6 and page 7. You can see here. So I only want this page 2. So I also wanted page 4, not page 6. So if you had unselected any page, you can just click on it to select it again. And I want to unselect page 6. I don't want page 6. Now I'll be able to download page 2, page 4, and page 7. Now these will not be downloaded as one file. They'll be downloaded as 3 separate files. And as you can see, you can confirm the pages that you want to extract from these. So if I go ahead and click on split this page, they'll be extracted separately. However, if you want to merge them such that they appear as one document, you can go ahead and check these merge extracted pages into one PDF file. So if you want them to be one PDF file of 3 pages, you can go ahead and check this. But for my case, I don't want to merge them. I just want them to be separate. So I'll uncheck this function and then proceed to split file. And this will go ahead and automatically download the 3 files. And now look at that. It will download and they will come in form of a zip file. And here it is. I have them under one file as zip file. Now what you need to do from here is just to right click on this and then extract here. So I want them to be extracted under downloads. You can choose where you want to extract them, but I'll just extract them here so that I have them under downloads. And look at that, instantly they have been extracted and now I have the 3 pages that I wanted. So if I go ahead, you can see my first page was page 2, my second page was page 4, the last page was page 7. So let's open and see if it is clear. And look at that, it is clear. And it contains all the content as I wanted. And it is only a single page because I didn't merge them. And also, if I click on page 4, you can see now page 4 appears as a single page here. And lastly, we have here page 7. If I go ahead and click on it, you can see page 7 has also been downloaded as a single file. So that's how you can split and separately download pages from a combined document. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.